Hey guys, today we're gonna cook buttery garlic shrimp with corn and mozzarella cheese. Alright, let's start. Gonna put in our butter. Lots of butter. Alright, we're gonna put in our garlic. Next, we're gonna put in our shrimps. And put in the whole bag. Okay.
No, you mix it.
Alright guys, so most of the shrimp is cooked already. We're just gonna let it boil and let the water evaporate. So we'll get the buttery sauce. But we're gonna put our corn in now. Just spread it. All right. And then let's mix that. Alright. And then let's put more butter, guys. Lots of butter. So buttermilk. Alright guys, so next we're gonna put in some garlic salt. Garlic salt. And then some black pepper. Then we'll mix that together. Now we're gonna put some mozzarella cheese on top. And just let it melt. Lots of cheese, lots of cheese. All right. Let's cover up a little bit. Get that cheese melt. All right. We are ready, guys. Look at that. Delicious. Alright guys, so there you go. Buttery garlic shrimp with corn and mozzarella cheese. And if you guys enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thanks.